Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete all notification exceptions for channels on Telegram. If your notifications feel messy or inconsistent, this simple reset can help you get everything back under control in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines or your profile icon. From there, go to Settings. This is where all your Telegram preferences are stored. Next, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts, messages, and channel updates appear on your device. Now, look for the option labeled Channel and tap on it. Here, you'll see all the customized notification exceptions you've set for different channels. These are usually created when you mute or modify alerts for specific channels. If you want to clear everything and start fresh, simply tap on Delete All Exceptions. Telegram will ask you to confirm this action. Go ahead and tap Confirm. And that's it. All your custom notification settings for channels will be removed, and everything will return to the default behavior. This is especially useful if you've joined many channels over time and lost track of your notification preferences. Instead of adjusting each one manually, this method saves you time and keeps things clean. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tutorials to stay in control of your app settings and boost your overall experience. Thanks for watching.